Hey folks, it's Nikki here. How you guys doing today? Let me get together here. Thanks for joining, Quinn. How are you, Quinn? I miss you. How's it going? I hope that's Quinn or maybe someone from her team. But go Baggio. Hey guys, thanks for joining. I have promised to do some quick 5-minute scopes. Hey Quinn, good to hear from you. I decided that I was going to be doing some quick 5-minute scopes, and that's what I promised you guys. So here it is. And I do not have a clock, so hopefully I'll stay on point. But guys, this is really quick. I just came from the gym, thus the way I look right now. Hey Patricia, thanks for joining. But I just wanted to get on here and just say a couple things. So in addition to doing these 5-minute scopes, my goal has been to work out. Hi, thanks for joining. Guys, if you are liking what I'm saying, and you might be new to Periscope, but the thing is to tap your screen. So if I'm saying anything that's making any sense, tap your screen, give me some hearts that lets me know that you're out there, you're listening, and you're enjoying what I'm putting down. All right, so we're gonna be talking about something real good. Thanks for the hearts. And if you like it, you can also share it. So you can swipe your screen to the right and click share and share it with your Twitter community if you have a community of business owners out there watching. But anyway, okay, 5-minute scope. So in addition to doing that, my goal has been to work out. So thanks for joining, guys. So this morning I worked out because last night I did not work out. Last night I felt a little sick. So I actually put on my workout clothes and got a little sick, laid on the couch, and I said, forget it, I'm not working out. And then, of course, watching a little TV, Chalene Johnson pops up, who was like this big fitness pro, and it was just like, that was my sign, like, you should be in the gym right now. You should not be on this sofa. Chalene is talking to you. So I said, this morning, I'm getting up, I'm going to the gym, and that's what I'm doing. So today, the topic is to do one thing. So this one thing that you do is something that you have been thinking about doing. You might be procrastinating with it, but just get up and do one thing. My one thing so far today, thanks for joining, Lewis. My one thing so far today was to work out, and I did it, and I'm accomplished. So what happens when you do that one thing? How do you feel when you have something that you want to do, and hey, and you do that one thing and you get it done? How do you feel? You feel amazing, right? You feel accomplished. You feel energized. You feel like you can do more things. And you know, guys, I'm sorry. Normally I give an introduction. Let me just tell you who I am and what we got going on. Real quick, I'm Nikki Lewis. That's right, tackle first things first. And I am the co-host of the Biz Underdog to Top Dog podcast. Hopefully you guys are subscribed to it. Hopefully you guys are listening to it on iTunes. But we talk to successful business owners who are pushing through hurdles, have gotten over a lot of business obstacles and made it to the other side. Glad you are listening, Patricia. Thanks for tuning into the show. So hopefully you guys tune in as well. It's a great podcast for business owners. My business is Mallow Crunchies, where I am right now. This is in my production kitchen, which I actually have just sold. So we're coming up on the last days here, but I'm doing a couple final things here in the kitchen. So I've sold this business to move on to the next phase of business. So anyway, that's who I am. And, okay, so do that one thing is what we're talking about today. And when you do it, you feel amazing. So my husband, Trey, who's the co-host of the podcast, Biz Underdog to Top Dog, he goes to work out. He gets up at like 5 a.m., goes to work out. By 6 a.m., he's back home. I'm still asleep. In the bed. And he's like, babe, I worked out. And I got back, I made breakfast, here's a cup of coffee, you know, the kids' clothes are ironed, the lunch is in the fridge for them, you know, I threw some clothes in the laundry. He's so energized. I'm like, dude, I'm still asleep. I got like 2 more hours to sleep. What are you doing? But that's what it does, right? When you do that one thing and get it done, you, yeah, you like that, right? When you do that one thing, you feel so good afterward. You feel like you can accomplish anything. So you do that one thing, and guess what? You do the next thing. I have a business advisor who says the demons of doubt can't hit a moving target. The demons of doubt can't hit a moving target. So don't think about it. Don't think about it. Just do that thing. Just get up and do it. And then when it's complete, go do the next thing. So that's the topic for today. I think I'm like at the 5-minute part. So hopefully you guys got something in your head that you're thinking about doing. You can get out there and go ahead and get it done. And I want to recommend that you do this. Yeah, you like, isn't that a great quote? The demons of doubt can't hit a moving target. Yeah, thanks, Patricia. So, if you guys are online entrepreneurs, we are connected to Kimber Luna, who we interviewed on our podcast, episode 14, and in the episode she talked about going from welfare to $1 million in 1 year's time. 1 year's time she did it. And she did it through her online business. And the way she did it is because she helps so many people. She's a major, major giver. So she helps other people get their online businesses launched. She has a program called Be True Brand You. The program, she only launches it once a year. You heard that podcast? It was a good podcast. I'm glad you heard it. Yeah, so she only does it once a year, and now is the time. So she is currently launching her Be True Brand You program right now. So if you guys have an online business or are looking to start one, she is a great person to be taught by. So I just advise you, if you're interested in it, go check out her website, Be True Brand You. But that's it for today, guys. So 5 minutes. I think I did it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.